Eto na, ganito katindi ang possible full rosters ng Ginebra ngayong PBA Governors Cup sa ika-48 season ng liga. Mas pinalaki at mas pinalakas na puwersa ng Barangay Ginebra. Andyan, etong sila: Jeremiah Gray, guard forward, height 6'5".
Gray, looking to tie it. Nilapit muna ng bagya. We got a 1-point game. Oh, went behind his back. Step back. Pinadaan ng defender. Oh! Yeah! May mga naaasahan na siya na mas marami. Kaya kahit ma-foul trouble, okay lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung game plan nila, no? Malaki rin yung Mike Nieto na kasi. Oh, 17 rin yun.
To see you on this court, or the courts of the other venues of the PBA, Mall of Asia, Smart Aranet Coliseum, the Philippine Arena, and be like Jeremiah Gray. Sa team, no, there's been about 18 lead changes and a couple of deadlocks. Oh, Gray with a snatch back three.
Maverick Ahanisi, guard, height 6'2".
A lot of time in the shot clock. Ahanisi gets away. Point disadvantage still. Make that 12 now, and that shot crawls in for Maverick Ahanisi. And only one legitimate big for Barangay Ginebra, so there will be a mismatch somewhere. Ahanisi, the free throw jumpers, good as a response.
Stan hands it off to Ahanisi. Maverick shoots it. That is good. Good start here for Barangay Ginebra.
The more open person right there was Lane Maliksi, and we all know what Lane can do when he is wide open. He's now at 31.
Jared Dillinger, guard forward, height 6'4".
To stop him from scoring close to the basket. Now Motao Tuan sitting down Roy Bacrao, getting some burn here. Talk about a shot maker. That's Marvin Lee for you. Aurin, the kick out. Dillinger had his foot on the line. Still a bucket for JD. He's not gonna miss.
Pinto to JD. JD the fake. Passes underneath. Jeremiah Gray. Steam still up by 4, 11-7. Pinto trying to maneuver. Kicks to the corner. JD. That's a three. Ayan si Dillinger naman. Gustong araruhin ito si Calvo. And JD eats him up.
Jamie Malonzo, forward, height 6'6".
Alonso steps back, gets that 16-foot jumper to drop. That's what I mean. Never looking to have a rousing debut here. The Philippine Cup. Alonso.
You don't have to say much. You just state the facts. As Jamie Malonzo hit the jumper.
Their loss against Meralco, so they need another guy who can consistently hit threes, and they all know that Anton can do that. Which is actually very surprising, but again, Coach Jiang Kiao and the way he juggles that lineup of his. Decision for me, for Calvin Abueva, because he had that opening. Alonso puts up a three, swishes that one.
David Morel, forward, height 6'4". LA Tenorio, guard, height 5'9".
LA on the drive, the runner, the old familiar for LA Tenorio.
He can take that shot all
Of
the
course. Bottom line, you just put the ball in the hole.
time. Tenorio aggressive.
Oh, wow.
First shot, made basket for Eli Tenorio. Here, still a lot to be played in the second period. Road Warriors still with one more to give. That's gonna drop. A push shot there. Coming from Teniente.
That's the main role of Bates. Play defense and get rebounds.
LA. Floater, he had one earlier.
Scotty Thompson, guard, height 6'1".
Super scorer in the Atlanta coming off the bench. But he's gonna be playing a lot of minutes. And he will definitely be finishing this ball game.
Scotty. Repulse to Christian. Hand off to Scotty. 2 seconds to shoot. Someone will have to put it up, and Scotty beats the buzzer with a one-hander.
That's just a lot of talent really from Scotty Thompson. By 9. Posting up himself. On the inside. Sir! Nice move by Thompson. Yes. Scotty Thompson now with 4 points. Still a lot of time on the shot clock. He's winding down though. Scotty, nice find.
Jan Pinto, guard, height 5'11".
Well, the layup is pristine coming from Nard Pinto.
That's Coach Yang. You forgot all about it. I'm gonna give you a victory here. Send it back out. Malonzo replies with a 3 of his own. This is now the tall front line of Barangay Nebla that we were talking about with Malonzo, Aguilar, Stan Hardinger, but it's still a 3-point shoot fest here for Barangay Nebla.
Battling here.
You never know.
Oh, yes, definitely. I mean, 7 points. This is just 7 points, and look at it right here.
Oh, they get the steal.
Down to 5. Stockton against basically all defenders. Another nice swipe from behind. Pinto is ahead, and this will be a casual layup for Nards.
Well, 10 points coming off the bench.
Stanley Pringle, guard, height 6'1".
Now, he has the ability to create his own shot. We saw him in that basketball. Ringle with a layup. Pressure defense with him. Stanley gets away.
Minute and 40 remaining in this ball game. Pringle for 3. That will be the dagger here. Another assist from Stan Hardinger. Another triple.
Right now, they're starting. They're starting at the backcourt here. 2 small guards starting for Magnolia. Still for Barangay Ginebra. Ringo tries to make his move. And gets away.
Ralph Koo, forward, height 6'4".
Stanley. Ringo to kick it out. Rouse. Ooh, floater drops. They need perimeter baskets. The team is clogged right now. Absolutely. He's done a great job here in attacking. Has not settled that he's not taking 3-pointers or perimeter shots. Everything is off the dribble for him. Puts up a 3, hits.
We have a missing in offense. Luis Verde was in quiet second quarter. Ralph Koo hits a 3-point shot. Another turnover of a timeout for Phoenix. They set up Ralph Koo. Unselfish basketball being employed by Barangay Ginebra. Ralph Koo walked away from it. He knew it was good. Of Barangay Ginebra.
And those are
Von Pesumal, guard forward, height 6'2".
And turnovers of Meral, only 7 this whole game.
Down by 3 points, 26-23. Christian on the move, off the spin. Sets up Pesumal from the corner. 3-point shot is good. Simon Camacho tagged with it, but look at this move from Christian against a triple team. That means just one of your teammates, well, 2 of your teammates are bound to be open.
Launches and hits. Hold the struggle from long distance. Easy stand.
Not only have Vikings Play or the App Store, they can also watch by Pilipinas live. Somehow, Phoenix was not able to get a basket in that play, and they're
Donald Gumaro, guard, height 5'11".
We talked about Alit Maliksi and how he scored 11 points. His primary defender then was Ralph Gu. Ralph Gu was not a starter. So Maliksi had a different defender. He had Scotty Thompson on him.
That's right. Final 5 minutes of this one. Maro's gonna score.
Nice little hesitation move there coming from Gumaro.
Closer, will overshoot. Tenorio to the wing, Pringle, extra pass. Gumaro for 3. Bang!
5 can get you a playoff, maybe. Yeah. Good pass down low, Donald Gumaro. Scores it.
Raymond Aguilar, forward center, height 6'4".
Oh, look at that pass! Assist number 7 para sa Ginebra. Aguilar with the delivery.
Getting the job done here, Anthony. Just makes you feel that whoever the local players are, you have to be familiar playing with your import. Oh, ganda naman ang pasa, oh.
Baka magpamulta na lang eh. Kasi wag di pa sila namultan dahil back-to-back games pa lang walang import. If they play a third one without an import, doon ka mumulta. Here comes Selden Jr. Sidestep, beauty! No! He's trying to tie up Raymond. Here comes JB. Brownlee, his own version of a sidestep, gets the pass.
Jason David, guard forward, height 6'2".
Dan Hardinger to the bin. Short corner jumper is good for 2.
Ginebra taking care of their quarterfinals matchup. David inside spins. Nice pass. Gumaro for 3. Yes, sir. 3-pointer for Gumaro.
That's why they lost that third quarter, because their main man was scoreless. Oh, that's just a good cut from Jason David. And these bench players, Mark Gobert and David, they're playing the system. But of course, he needs experience to get into the level of guys, even like Pinto. Get away. David,
all
he's
alone. Gets in a goal.
Japet Aguilar, forward center, height 6'9".
Right? When you see an opportunity to score, you try to take it. As Pringle will set it up, jump it! Will slam it home! On defense, the forward pass to LA, and then Pringle, and of course, it's showtime and Japet. Aguilar posting up against a smaller Trojano. Japet turns, mid-range J is good. Pringle sends it out to Ralph Gu. Into Japet now against Almazan. Japet off the pivot to the other side, gets an end one.
Aguilar, as you can see here, went to the middle first, picked him off, and then went baseline and was able to get a foul.
Might have gotten
Sydney Onwubere, forward, height 6'4".
find ways to look at and score off this interior defense of NLEX, but seemingly Mubere has those keys. Mubere will challenge. He'll get the drop. Could he be the spark?
LA with 6 to work with, crosscourt pass. David sends it to Onwobere. One more try, finally it falls.
Aljon Mariano, forward, height 6'3".
Doing his thing. Right, definitely a much better player, full of confidence.
Area where you will ask your players to be more coordinated. Nice soft shot.
Panonorin mo sa college, sa PBA. Pero ngayon, up close, makikita mo talaga yung quality. Diba? Murang-mura. Hindi manggaan. Yep. 2 games na yan, 999. Oh, good job. Ginebra up by 7. Mariano's one-hander.
Christian Stan Hardinger, forward center, height 6'8".
Oh, that is a foul. Going to be called against Kyle Pascual. That will be another edge one for Christian.
Call for defensive foul. Started to spin towards the basket. 4 points in tonight's game so far. He averaged 8 points per game in his return. Seastan just gets away from Marcelo there.
Yes, Fleming also mistimed the jump on that rebound. Ginebra is running again. A tornado spin coming from Stan Hardinger. Good for to win the foul.
Going left, spinning right. In out dribble. Look at this one more time. And then drawing the foul from Converge.
And itong kanilang resident import na si Justin Brownlee.
For a while because both of them will be getting ready for the ESL. Brownlee knocks that one through. Brownlee, short J.
Remember, if you scoop two big shots like that, nakasuot na pa.
JB fading away. Lista mo na. He started it, making a mark when he moved to Alaska with Coach Sim as Brownlee knocks that one through. Justin has got 8. Gives it up to the other side. Scotty. Short. Look at Malonzo hustle for it. And Thompson. Hammer time, JB. Thompson against Perez. They go to Brownlee. 14-foot pull-up. Clean as the whistle para kay JB.
So yan nga ang kasalukuyang full rosters ng Barangay Ginebra. Pero syempre, di pa natin talaga alam sa ngayon kung yan na talaga ang final. Dahil may usap-usapang baka nga raw may magbago pa dahil sa trade. Pero syempre, abang-abang na lang muna sa ngayon.